So let's let G be the goldfish, the number of goldfish, and N be neon tetras, the number of neon tetras. So there are 28 fish in the aquarium. There are 8 more goldfish than neon tetras. So we have G plus N to be equal to 28, right? But then there are 8 more goldfish than neon tetras, so G will be equal to N plus 8. So now I can substitute here, so equation 1, equation 2. I'll sub 2 into equation 1. So N plus 8 plus N will be equal to 28. So 2N is going to be equal to, if I subtract both sides by 8, 20. So N will be equal to 10. So there are 10 neon tetras here, which means that if we sub this back into equation number 2, so G will be equal to 10 plus 8, so G will be equal to 18. So therefore, there are going to be 18 goldfish and 10 tetras in this aquarium.